Three major earthquakes have hit Asia recently. Here's what you need to know. First up, Myanmar. On March 28, 2025, a staggering 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck near Mandalay. Over 3,354 lives were lost, and more than 17 million people were affected. Buildings, bridges, and dams collapsed, and widespread liquefaction made things even worse. The fault? Strike-slip faulting between the India and Eurasia plates on the Sagaing Fault. There's still a high probability of significant aftershocks. Next, Nepal. On February 28, 2025, a 6.1 magnitude quake hit Bhairabkunda in the Sindh-Upal Chowk district. Damage and injuries were reported, but the full extent is still unclear. And finally, Afghanistan. On February 3, 2025, a 4.1 magnitude earthquake shook at a depth of 10 kilometers. Tremors were felt in Kabul, though details on the damage remain limited. These events remind us of the importance of earthquake preparedness and the profound impact of natural disasters. Stay informed, stay safe. Thanks for watching.